This is the video guide that is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called searchresultsfast.com. Some people see this pretty strange hijacker called Search Results Fast. The trouble is that this hijacker is often spread through integration with many free applications, and in many cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this hijacker was somewhere or another installed into your computer, you should undertake the measures to get rid of it immediately. The majority of such hijackers are active through special browser extensions. So access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and if you see any third-party extensions in place, disable and delete them. Finally, I recommend that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and it will help you to effectively identify and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.